Hello friends, I am Dr. Sampurna Ghosh. I am ENT consultant from Hyderabad. Today I am going to talk about ear infection. So as you know, ear is one of the five sense organs, but most of the time we don't care about ear much until it is hurting or until we are hearing less. But we should be careful about all these five sense organs when they are actually functioning well. Before starting the infection topic, I want to break a few myths which is about ear cleaning. Believe me, there is no need of regular ear cleaning, especially not with the earbud. The earbud use putting deep inside and moving like this, itching and cleaning is absolutely a bad habit. It causes more harm than good. So there are few people who keeps on getting some kind of watery discharge or pus from the ear. Definitely they need to be checked by a ENT doctor first to identify what is the source of the infection. So ear has three parts grossly divided into outer ear, which ends with the eardrum, then there is a middle ear, and then there is a inner ear. Most of the acute infection which goes away with a little drop or ointment or medicine are usually outer ear infection. When somebody is having tremendous pulsatile feeling and throbbing pain and which needs high dose of oral antibiotic along with the ear drop, that is usually middle ear infection. Middle ear infection is very common in children because of some anatomical factors as well. So when a child is crying saying I have really bad pain, or even smaller kids, those who cannot express but getting up from the sleep crying or having fever which is otherwise unexplained, we must suspect there may be ear infection, and which has to be treated with a good course of antibiotic for 7 to 10 days. Inner ear infection is not a very common thing, but it can also happen, and if in that happens, the person may have severe dizziness and vertigo, nausea and vomiting, feeling really sick. Coming to the chronic ear infection, you must have heard that some people say I have a hole in the eardrum. So what does it mean? So repeated infection in the middle ear cavity gradually can give rise to perforation or a hole in the eardrum. Now once this hole is formed, if the healing process of the body is good and the infection is completely cured, it may get healed. But if the drum is still having the hole, 2-3 months have passed, it is not healing, then probably it will need a surgery. So there are microscopic ear surgery and endoscopic ear surgeries to heal this kind of drum. And if the infection has spread into the mastoid bone, which is behind the ear, which is a little more complicated, then surgically that infection part should also be removed. So if any one of you have chronic ear infection, which means 2-3 times in a year you have recurrent ear discharge, hearing little less, please get it checked properly. And if you have been advised for surgery, don't be afraid of undergoing the surgery. Ear surgeries can give very good result in proper hands, and if not done, if you delay and try to live on with the infection, it may lead to many dreaded complication and the hearing loss. So please take care of your hearing organ, which is ear, till it is functioning properly. Thank you.